So in the last few years, Instagram has become quite a popular social media platform where people enjoy sharing their life events and experiences. And there are other ways to share your life also where you don't feel pressured to making everything perfect. These are short 15-second videos that you can post in the form of stories that automatically get deleted after 24 hours. But some people find it limiting to have only 15-second video as a story, and they are always looking for options. Although you can make longer stories, but all the stories get split into 15-second videos so that people have the option to go to the next 15-second part of that video. And Instagram has been testing this long story format from a very long time. Like I got it on one of my accounts last year. Now I again got the 16-second story feature on one of my Instagram accounts, and it has been there for a while. So I think Instagram is finally ready to roll it out. It is getting rolled out, but it is a gradual process. It will not be rolled out to everyone. So if you're not getting that feature, you should wait for a while. You will eventually get this 16-second story feature. However, if you can't really wait for Instagram to roll out that feature to you, there are a few things you can do to speed that process up. The number one thing you can do is make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. If you're not sure, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store to see if there is any update available. If there is any update available, make sure you are updated with the app. The other thing is that also make sure that your OS operating system of your mobile phone, be it iOS or the Android, make sure it is the latest version, because sometimes the latest version of the app is only available to the latest version of the operating system software. Although there is no surety that you will be getting this 60-second story feature instantly, but what I did was I kept on adding a longer video into my story. Like if I have a 45-second or 1 minute video in my photo gallery, I try to upload it as a story, and one day I was able to do it. So maybe Instagram also records that how many times you are trying to upload a video that is longer than 15 seconds. So if you're doing this multiple times, maybe it will think that you want that feature, and that feature will be updated to you. This is just my prediction. I mean I did this and the feature was enabled for my account, so I'm suggesting you do it also and try it. Maybe this will work. And the last thing you can do is you can convert your Instagram account into a professional account or a business account, depending on what type of account you have. If you didn't already know that, you can go to the settings area. That option will be available to you. Business account is mainly for people who are running an Instagram account which is based on a brand. It is not based on a person. If it is based on a person, like it's your name on the Instagram account, you can still unlock the professional tools by converting your personal account into professional account. And maybe this will work for you as well. So you can check out the updated article. I will put most relevant, most updated information into that article, which will be in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.